Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install Claude for your Chrome browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see three vertical dots. This is your Chrome menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option that says Extensions. When you hover over it, you'll notice a submenu appears to the side. This submenu gives you quick access to managing all your Chrome extensions. From this submenu, click on Visit Chrome Web Store. This will take you directly to Chrome's official extension marketplace, where you can browse and install thousands of different extensions for your browser. Once the Chrome Web Store opens in a new tab, you'll see a search bar at the top of the page. Click on this search bar and type in Claude. This will help you find the official Claude extension among all the available options in the store. After typing, you'll see search results appear below. Look for the official Claude extension in the results and click on it to open its dedicated page. On the Claude extension page, you'll see detailed information about what the extension does and how it works. You'll notice a blue button that says Add to Chrome located near the top of the page. Click on this button to begin the installation process. A small pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm the installation. Click Add Extension to proceed. This confirms that you want to install Claude and gives the extension the necessary permissions to work properly with your browser. Now, you'll need to wait a moment while the installation completes. This usually takes just a few seconds, and Chrome will handle everything automatically in the background. You'll see a brief notification once the extension has been successfully added to your browser. After the installation is complete, look at the top right corner of your Chrome window again. You'll see a puzzle piece icon which represents your extensions. Click on this extensions icon to see a list of all your installed extensions. From the list that appears, click on Claude to activate it. The Claude interface will now appear on the right side of your browser window. You'll see a panel slide out with the Claude Assistant ready to use. However, before you can start using it, you'll need to log into your Claude account. Simply enter your credentials when prompted, and you're all set. And that's it! You've successfully installed Claude for Chrome, and you're ready to start using it right from your browser. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.